In the history of humanity, some supernovae have remained in the collective memory. The Chinese were the first to observe and describe supernovae. In 1054, a supernova in the Taurus constellation remained visible for 3 weeks in daylight. Today, at the very location of this supernova, we can observe the Crab Nebula, consisting of the remains of the envelope of the dead star. Tycho Brahe in 1572 and Johann Kepler in 1604 were the first to officially observe supernovae in the West, at a time when the heavens were thought to be immutable, as described by Aristotle. The supernova you witnessed on this trip was caused by the collapse of a massive star. It is a Type II supernova. But then, there are other types of supernovae? A supernova can also be created by the explosion of a white dwarf, a very dense star that is actually the remnant of a dead star. White dwarfs are formed when a medium-sized star reaches the end of its life. Our Sun, which is considered a medium-mass star, will turn into a white dwarf at the end of its life. Rest assured, this will not happen for another 5 billion years. When a white dwarf is located next to a giant star, the latter will lose its outer layers, which will form a disk around the white dwarf. Little by little, the white dwarf will gain in mass, until it exceeds the limit, called the Chandrasekhar limit. It will then collapse, catch fire, and disintegrate. This explosion is a Type I supernova. Type I and Type II supernovae are very similar to the eyes of a distant observer like you.